My name is Dave King. I'm the Dean at Trades and Technology here at Lakeland College. In our school, we have automotive, carpentry, electrician, heavy equipment technician, parts technician, and welder. We also have in the Lloydminster campus through the School of Health and Wellness, we've got barber and hairstylist. So those are trades that are under the scope of apprenticeship and industry training. Here at Lakeland College, we kind of let the students manage their course when they're in the shop. We do have the residences here to come and stay in residence while they're here for the 2 months. All the students here that come through, whether it's an 8-week program, 12-week program, they all have full support of the college. Any of the facilities, any supports that we have, the dorms, they've got access to, cafeteria, recreational center. The instructors are very caring. They'll stay here after hours, help the students out as long as they can. We're pretty proud of what we've got to offer the students.